sari-sariling skin struggles. So, ang tagal ko nang gustong masolusyonan, eh wala akong mahanap. Kung meron man, wala yung result na gusto kong makita.
Right.
So, I made Wild Skin.
Okay.
This is actually a gift for myself. I'm in an industry where perfection is a must. And sadly, I'm not perfect. I'm far from being perfect. It took me a very long time to finally accept that. So finally, nung na-accept ko na siya, and ako mismo, naghanap ako ng solusyon dun sa problems ko. Kasi ito yung 4 products na kailangan ko. So, I thought, marami rin nangangailangan ito. So, basically, all of our products are all-in-one. So, lahat ng mga serums na niacinamide, tranexamic acid, alpha-arbutin, isa-isa yung binibili yan eh. So, ito infused na sa lahat.